Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Shopify Payments, manage payouts and balance step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to Shopify.com. Click Login in the top right corner of the page. Enter the email address connected to your Shopify store. Type your password and click Login to access the Shopify admin. If you use two-step authentication, enter the verification code to continue. Confirm you are in the correct store by checking the store name at the top left of the admin. In the left sidebar, click Settings. In Settings, click Payments to open your payment provider options. Find the Shopify Payments section and click Manage. If Shopify Payments is not activated, follow the prompts to complete account setup before managing payouts. On the Shopify Payments page, locate the balance area to see available and pending amounts. Check the currency shown to ensure it matches your store's payout currency. Scroll to Payouts to view your payout schedule and recent transfers. Click View Payouts or the payout list to open detailed payout history. Select a payout date to see the transactions included in that specific payout. Review the breakdown for charges, refunds, chargebacks, and fees if they appear. To search specific orders, use the transaction or order references shown in the payout details. Go back to the Shopify Payments overview and find the payout schedule setting. Confirm whether your payouts are set to daily, weekly, or monthly based on your eligibility and region. If available, click Edit Schedule and choose the payout frequency that fits your cash flow needs. Check your bank account information to make sure payouts go to the correct account. Click Edit or Change Bank Account and enter the updated bank details carefully. Save the changes and follow any verification steps requested by Shopify. If a payout is marked as failed, open it to read the reason and required action. Fix common issues like incorrect bank details or unsupported account types. Then wait for the next attempt. To monitor real-time performance, return to the main admin and open Analytics if needed. For support, click Help in the Shopify admin and search Shopify Payments Payouts for official guidance. Log out when finished by clicking your profile icon and selecting Log Out, especially on shared devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.